Hi, today let's make tasty appam recipe at home. Very simple, very easy. It's not complicated. If you follow the steps, you can make it right at the first try. First, you need to soak the rice for at least 8 hours and keep it aside. And just before you blend, you need to activate the yeast with warm water and along with the sugar. Keep it for 10 minutes close and set it aside. Now, let's blend the batter. Now, I'm adding the soaked rice which has been soaked for 8 hours. Next, what I'm doing is I'm adding in the grated coconut. Then goes in some yeast, the activated yeast water which I've added in. The measurements and the ingredients are on the screen. Next, I'm adding in coconut milk. In Mangalore, Kerala, they add toddy as well. It gives a great fermentation flavor and gives a great taste, sweetish. Next, I've added in salt, sugar, and then I've added in cooked rice. Now blend it into a batter. Now the batter needs to be little coarse, not too smooth, and add it to the pan and let it pot, and then let it ferment for at least 7 to 8 hours. Now it's been 7 to 8 hours. This is how the batter looks. This makes the batter light and airy, which means our appams are ready to be made. Now for the appams, there's a special kind of appam pan which you get in the market, very easy to get. First you need the appam pot really very well and pour in one ladle of batter and just turn it really very well like this, because appams are usually little slightly thicker in the middle and then it comes lacy towards the side. So this is a very much important part while you make appams, and just cover it for at least 5 minutes and keep it aside. Now the best part is you don't need to scratch the pan, or the appams easily come out, and you can serve it hot with chicken curry, mutton curry, ghee roast, Kundapur chicken, vegetable stew, chicken stew, anything of your choice. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy your appam.